First fair that I ever did was Ventura County Fair. I went out there, didn't know nothing about the fair, but made a whole lot of money. LA County is a massive fair. Like, I've done a lot of fairs, and this is the first massive fair that I've done where millions of people come to. This is California, this is LA. The greatest enjoyment that I get of being an operator for Shoe MGK is growth and helping others and being my own boss and being able to set my own schedule, be able to work as hard as I want to work.
I pretty much just started out as a young, 16, 17-year-old kid, scrubbing shoes, talking to people, putting in my numbers, going from being like the lowest salesman to the best salesman to now owning 2 booths.
The cool thing about the fair is the faster pace. You meet different people from different sides of the world instead of just your local people. It's just an environment to meet new people, quicker money, get to explore a little bit, better experience. Can't go wrong with the fair, man. It's always great.
Working with Shoe MGK took me from being just a regular dude from San Diego, just probably would have never been able to leave, to being able to, hey, there's a fair here, going out here to work, make money, converse with people. It gets me out of my environment, gets me to see the bigger picture.
Shoe MGK actually kept me out of trouble like a lot of times, man. Instead of roaming the streets or getting into trouble, going to homies to go do this, I'm actually in a working environment around positive people. It's a sense of responsibility too, but it was a good growth, man. Like I said, I've been doing it on and off for 8 years, so it's actually been something real positive for me in the long run.